Hi there, this is Lorena Grant, and I just wanted to share a little hack that might help you to organize your Gmail account. If you're anything like me, you sign up to lots of newsletters, lots of different things come through your inbox, and so much of it can get like jumbled up in there, and you not even know what you have in there. So I'm gonna give it a little share something that might be helpful to help you organize your Gmail box. Okay, for example, I have lots and lots of emails right here, and they're not organized. There's over 800 emails right here. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to organize them. I want to organize them according to who they're coming from, or that kind of information. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and, if you see right here in the side, I have a couple of them already going to this emails, right? So some of them are bypassing my inbox and actually going into a folder where I can label who they're coming from, right? Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, let's choose one that I probably get a lot of them from. So I'm gonna choose this one right here. Okay, under the little three dots right here, I'm going to go to filter the messages like this and create a filter. And what I want is not the name that has this, but I want the email that it's coming from, right? So let me go back into the email. I'm going to choose the email. We'll open the email up and see who it's coming from. And this is where it's coming from. Under the from button. I'm going to copy that. And under that filter, if I can go back. I'm going to go back and create a filter. Not exactly working how I thought it would. Okay, we're gonna go back. I'm gonna choose something else. Let's see. We're gonna choose this one again, and I'm gonna go filter, three dots, filter ones like these. I'm gonna remove this, and I actually want the emails that are coming from that email address. And then I'm gonna go create a filter. And this is what I do, is I normally choose in, I want it to skip my inbox. I want to create a new label, okay? I'm going to create a new label, so I'm going to apply label. If I don't have an email, like a label like this created, I might create one. So, you can put things like, this is for personal, or what I like to do is if it's like newsletter related, for whatever business you have, or even personal stuff. So create that, and I'm going to create this newsletter, okay? And then I'm going to go back and create another one. I'm going to go under new label, and I'm going to create one for health, freedom of Louisiana. And then I'm going to nest that under the newsletter form that I just created. If I can find it. Newsletter. And what it's going to do is I can apply it to all emails. So I'm applying it to under the newsletter, and it's Health Freedom of Louisiana. It's going to skip my inbox. I can have it marked as red. You can store it if you want more important. You can actually have it deleted. You can actually filter it to, if you don't want it go into this, you can have it go directly to your delete box, which for some reason that's not active. Never send it to spam. These are all all additions that you can add, always mark it as important, never mark it as important. You can categorize it. There's different folders within here that you can make sure that it goes to your primary email. And you can also apply it to all the emails that came from that email address. So, I'm sorry, remove my head a little bit. And then we're going to create this filter. And it's going to apply. It's going to remove this from our inbox. Okay. As you see, it disappeared. Now I'm going to go and find that. So, under newsletter, they're usually in alphabetical order. So, what I need to find is newsletter. Newsletter, and under here I have Health Freedom of Louisiana. And under here, I have all the emails that came from that email address. So, hope this is helpful. I think this is really going to help you to stay organized in your Gmail account. And obviously my numbers have gone down a little bit, but when it's going to help you to have the emails that's supposed to be coming to your inbox come to the inbox. And then if you ever want to go and find that email, you can easily find it within your inbox, in your folders, rather than in your inbox where it could get easily lost, especially if you got 800 emails like me. So I hope this helps, and hope you have a great day. If you got value from my video today and you'd like to learn more on how you might be able to make money passively from home online, be sure and sign up to my newsletter for more information at lorenagrant.com. And be sure and like and subscribe. We thank you for stopping by today and hope you have a blessed day.